as I comment on Neville Goddard's 1968 lecture, Jesus Christ. We will enjoy what used to be my most favorite steakhouse in the Japanese countryside near Mount Fuji. It's still very delicious and tender, but not quite as tender as I remember it. Nevertheless, Neville Goddard says, "This man called Neville is simply an agent expressing truth. It is not good enough for you to just understand it. You must believe, not in Neville, but in the truth he is expressing from this platform and his books. If I lie and you believe what I say, then you can't prove it and you will remain a slave. And oh, the pain that is promised to the teacher who dares to lie and mislead those who trust him." So what Neville here is saying is don't worship him. Listen to what he's saying, put it to the test, find out the truth for yourself. The truth is what you worship, not a person. Neville goes on to say, the entire universe was created by an orgasm of God to produce this one little system. Have you ever seen the orgasm of a man under the microscope? Billions of live organisms are there to attempt the likeness of the man, and only one is successful. Here is God's orgasm, and one system comes out that can cradle his experiment to make man in his own image. So humanity is a child of God, and the child can grow up one with God. In closing, Neville says, this world is not some accident, but a plan to create and expand the creative power of God. There is no limit to your expansion, only a limit to contraction. Man is that limit. Taking on the limit of contraction and the opacity which is man, God unfolds himself in man to know unlimited translucency and expansion. So it seems here that Neville is saying, man is limited, but when we realize what we are the child of, then we come to know we are unlimited through the imagination, the vessel, the vehicle of God. Anything is possible in imagination when properly persisted. Once we really come to know this by experience, and we have everything we want, and we come to find out that the child man has grown up into the likeness of its Father, God, then God's plan is complete. And now, in this new year, let us go into the silence. Good. And a quick shout out to Tokyo Treats Sakura Co., a Japanese snack monthly subscription service. Links will be in the info section beneath this video, along with a coupon code Nevillution for $5 off your first order. Thank you. And a quick shout out to Tokyo Treats Sakura Co., a Japanese snack monthly subscription service. Links will be in the info section beneath this video, along with a coupon code Nevillution for $5 off your first order. Thank you.